I'm Anil Kumar, and here is one question from my subscriber. It is based on position vectors. The question is, reposition the given vector so that its initial point is at the origin and determine its components. Thanks a lot for sharing, but since the diagram was not very clear, what I thought is that I'll sketch one here, create similar question, maybe exactly same, and then we'll find the position vector. When we say determine the components, by placing the initial point at the origin, we are trying to find the position vector, correct? So let's consider this system R3. So that's my axis, right? So I'll make a sketch, and I hope that will give you a fairly good idea of how to sketch vectors, one, and then how to find position vectors, right? So this will be an interesting exercise. So let's consider a vector. So this is our x-axis, right? So this is x, that is y, and this is z. So let's say this is 1, 2, 2 divisions, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now I'll draw two vectors here. That's the first one which I'm drawing. Let me use different ink. So let's say along the x, it has a component which is 2 units. So it is this component along the x. And along the y-axis, let us take this to be 6 units. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the base of this could be given kind of like this. Do you see that? So that becomes the base of our vector. And let us say the height of this vector is -6. That is to say, it goes 6 units down. So it is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you see that? So 6 units down. So we'll just go 6 units down from all these points. So from here, 6 units down will be, so 6 units down. Let me just take a point here. From here, 6 units down. From here, 6 units down. So I'm just sketching kind of a light sketch here. Okay. So 6 units down, right? Okay. So we have a vector here, kind of like this. Okay. So basically, if I sketch something like this, now, so this is along the x-axis, we have 2, right? And then we come down here, I should write this point as 2, 0, 0, right? And as we go down, this point is you could go, okay, let's go y first, right? Okay, so it is 2, 6, 0, and then if I go down here, then this point will be 2, 6, -6. Is that okay? I'll call this point as A. Okay, this point is A, the starting point for one of our vectors. Now let me sketch another vector here, which, let's take 6 units to this side. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll do it slightly quickly. Okay, so this is 6. And the base we want as -3. So this is 1, 2, 3. So this is what actually I got from your sketch. So I thought I'll just recreate so that, we are on the same page. And along the z-axis, it was 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, okay, so 6. Okay, 6. So, okay, 6. So let's say this is somewhere here. So I'm trying to do it slightly quickly. 6, and this is 6 here. Okay, so this becomes the second vector. Okay, is that fine? I think that's good enough. So the second vector for us is at this point, and as you can see, we went along the x 6 units, so this was 6, and then y is -3, so this point is 6 -3, 0, and then we went up to a point which is 6 -3, and we went 6 up, right? So 6 up. So that is the point B for us. That is the point B for us. Now if I join these 2 points A and B, right, so if I join these 2 points, okay, let me do it approximately. Okay, let me just connect it with the line. Okay, that's fine. Then I get a vector from A to B, right? So we are talking about this vector. Now read the question. It says, reposition the given vector so that its initial point is at the origin. That means we want to move this point to A origin, this point to here, it becomes A dash. And then what is going to be the vector? So it says reposition the given vector so that its position, initial point is at the origin and determine the component. So that becomes the question. So basically we could always find it algebraically by finding what the vector AB is, right? So AB will be B, which is 6 minus 3, 6, take away A coordinates, which are 2, 6, and minus 6. Do you see that? So that becomes the vector AB, and this is indeed equal to 6 minus 2 is 4, minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9, and that gives me plus 12. So the vector AB, which we could write like this, or we prefer to write like this, 4 minus 9, 12, right? So if I position this here, it's just definitely going to be parallel, right? Kind of like this, somewhere. So this will be 4 minus 9, 12. So the components along the x-axis is going to be 4. Along the y-axis will be minus 9. And along the z-axis will be 12. Do you see that? So that becomes the answer for the given question. I hope the steps are absolutely clear and you enjoyed the process by which we learned this simple concept. It is one of the most important concepts to understand when you begin understanding vectors. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. You can always share and subscribe my videos. Thank you and all the best.